Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rosemary. On this channel, I do products review, I cook on live video, and I do fitness. I also promote the gospel through short forms video. So my channel is family friendly. So if you just joined me for the first time, please support me by liking and sharing and subscribing to my channel. Okay. So today we're going to be doing products review, and this is the product we're going to be reviewing today. So I've been wishing to get this blender, and I'm so lucky to get this blender in my kitchen today. So the blender I have in my kitchen is the smoothie blender, and I actually want this for my kitchen, like crushing and other stuff. So this is the blender. Before I open this blender, I'm going to show you guys the full size of the blender. This is it right here. This is the front right here. This is the back. The other side. And this is the other side right here. Okay. So we're going to be opening this blender today, and we will be reviewing. Okay. So they say this blender is 8 cups blender right here. 8 cups. Right here is 8 cups food product processing. Okay. Yeah, so this is 8 cups. So when I went to get this, I have option. I have like the 10 cups and 8 cups, but the 10 cup was like a little bit expensive, so I decided to just take this and try it. So I hope it's gonna work for me. So let's get into the video. Okay, so this is brand new. We're gonna open this together. Okay. Oh, that is nice. It got touch control. So this is so okay, we will do that. So this is 8 cups. It's easy to clean. Yes. Oh my goodness, this is good, y'all. So let's get to the video. Okay. So I'm using my scissor to open this blender right here. Excuse me, y'all. Guys, I've been wishing to get this blender, and I hope it worked for me, y'all. Yeah. So the blender I have in my kitchen, the first one I have is a smoothie blender. So this blender actually came with menu. This is the menu right here, and the name of the blender is Black Plus Deco. Yes, this is the blender right here. I mean the menu for the blender. Yep, for chopping. Okay. Okay, and we got something for warranty, like 2 years warranty. So let's get into the video. Oops. So when you're opening this video, you gotta be very gentle, okay? Because you know what is in this box right here. So we got this right here. I wonder what is this? What is in this here? I should have taken the 10 cups. So they say this is 8 cups. It's kind of small though, but I'm just gonna do my stuff just little by little, okay? Or small. So this is the box it came with. This box is empty now. We're about to set this blender up, okay? So let's get into the video, y'all. Let's set the blender up. Yeah, so when you're opening this, you gotta be really gentle. Yep, I think this is I'm gonna call this this is where you usually put the original cup right here. This is the cup, and this is the power stuff right here. Okay. So to be honest, I want to try this blender. If it doesn't work for me, I'll be taking it back. So I want to be very gentle with the box. I do not want to mess up the box. Okay. So let's see what we got here. Okay, I don't know what is this, but we're still setting this up. This is what we got right here. It look good though. Yep. And this look like the top though. Yeah, this look like the top right here. Yeah, it look like the top. Yeah, I think it's the top right here. Okay. So I'm just gonna put it here for now. And this is the cup right here for the blender. And this is the blade. You gotta be very gentle because it's really, really sharp. You want to make sure and keep this out of the range of kids, okay? So usually when I'm done with my electronics in my kitchen, I unplug it because yeah, I just want to be on the safe side. So let's unwrap this and see what's going on here. So guys, if you're just joining me, please support me by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, okay? Yeah, my channel is family friendly, and we do a lot of fun stuff here. During the weekdays, I come on live in the evening. Weekend, I come on live in the morning, okay? So this is actually the power stuff right here. Oh my God. Yeah. So we have here, we have off, we have low, we have high, and we have pause. So right here, we got a power button right here, which is the off. And right here, we got low, we have high, and we have pause. So if you want to pause this blender, it's okay. You want to make it low, you want to make it high, you want to turn it off. This is where you control it. And this is electronics here. This blender is electronics. So this is the cord right here. This is the cord. It came off the cord right here. So I'm going to open the cord for you guys to see. Oops. Sorry guys. Oh, the cord is long though. It's long. Yeah. But when I'm going to make a special or specific video of how to use this, okay? So today we're just unboxing and setting this up. Okay, so let's see if we can, let me see if I can put this in here. Guys, am I doing it right? Is it? Oh no. So, oh, okay guys, I got you. So maybe you're gonna put this blade, you gotta be very gentle with the blade. I don't know how to do this. Guys, do somebody know how to do this? You gotta be very gentle. Oh my God, what's going on here? Okay, I'm just gonna see. Okay, I got it. So if you want to put this cup over here, this is the cup right here. You're gonna put it right here, okay? So guys, let's see how we can. So this is actually the top for the blender. So is this different? Okay. So guys, I want to know how to put this. Oh, okay, I got you guys. I got it. This is how we do it. So this is the blade for the blender right here. Just take it and put it in right here like this. Okay, got you. I don't know how to use this, but I'm going to read a menu. I'm going to read a menu and see how best to use this, okay? Okay. So they say these stuff are very sharp. You got to handle with care. So I think you can use this in different, like separate time, or I don't know how. But let me see. Okay, I'm gonna figure out how to use this one right here. Then how do you close this down? So guys, we gotta read the menu before we set this blender up. We are gonna read this menu before we set this blender up, okay? Oh my God. Oh, I got it guys, I got it. We gotta be very gentle. Okay. Oh, okay. Got you guys. We just have to read the menu before we set this up properly. Yeah, guys. So I will have to read about the menu. I mean, I'm gonna read the menu and see how to use this one right here. But so far so good. This is the blender right here. This is how I set this blender. Yeah, I see something here, but we gotta redo this video over. So guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is how I set this blender up in my kitchen. I'm still learning about it. And this is the very first, this is my first time using this kind of blender. The blender I have in my kitchen is a smoothie blender. So if you want to like watch the video about how to set or unbox smoothie blender or how to use it, I have a video in my comment, like I have a video on my page. You can just go there and watch it, okay? So once again, my name is Rosemary. Please support me by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, okay? Yeah, so before I leave, congratulations to us. Our channel have hit 8K subscribers. Yeah, and we are monetized on YouTube Partner Program. Yeah, we are monetized. So thanks to all of you guys so much. Thanks for your support, and thank you again. Bye, guys. Yeah, so I have to redo the video. Yep. I'm going to read this manual and do it step by step. So, yeah, that's it, y'all. This is it. Thank you. Bye.